Hello children, we are back again with a new lesson with a new topic. So today we are going to deal with social studies lesson number 3 for class 1. All the first class students, take out your term reader, page number 112, lesson number 3, what do you eat? Okay, so with the heading आपको क्या समझ में आ रहा है? Okay, by reading the heading, what do you think कि ये lesson किसके बारे में है? The lesson says about what do you eat. It means it is considered with the eating. हम रोज खाते हैं, right? So ये lesson में हमें खाने के बारे में बताया जाएगा. Every day we will eat. Is there a day where you will not eat and can you survive? We can survive, but we will not be healthy. We will have some problems like we don't feel to do work. If I will not eat, definitely I am not able to work properly. Even the small kids also, or even your parents also, अगर वो एक दिन भी खाना नहीं खाएंगे, so definitely वो लोग properly survive नहीं कर सकते या उन्हें कोई ना कोई अलग problem भी आ सकती है. So every human being, not even human beings, even the animals also, it is compulsory for us, for the animals to eat every day. That too not junk food. We should eat healthy food, hygienic food. And that too in this pandemic, you all know कि पूरे वर्ल्ड में अभी क्या चल रहा है, कोरोना वायरस COVID-19 चल रहा है. So at this situation we cannot eat outside food also. So whatever your mother is preparing at home, that food only we should eat every day. So coming to the lesson, so this lesson is all about what do you eat, whether we are eating healthy food or whether we are eating unhealthy food. If you are eating healthy food also, how you should eat, okay, how the time is been divided while eating the food. We have 3 time food to we eat, like first time breakfast, then lunch, then dinner. Okay, so let us see what does this lesson tells us about. Take out page number 112, lesson number 3, what do you eat? Food consists of things that we eat and drink. We need food to live. We eat food to grow big. So food consists, food में क्या आता है? Whether we are eating or we are drinking, all these things comes under what? It comes under food. चाहे हम पानी भी पी रहे हैं, वो भी हमारे food items में आता है. And whatever the things we are eating, whether it is biscuits, whether it is chocolates, whether it is chapati, whether it is rice, all these things also comes under what? Food. तो food क्या है जो हम खाते हैं और जो पीते हैं, वो किस में आता है? वो foods में आता है. So yes, we need food to live, because a person can survive if he will not eat one day, but 2 days, 3 days continuously if he will not eat, he cannot survive. So we need food to live in. अगर हम आज जिंदा है, हम आज बात कर सकते हैं, हम आज खेल सकते हैं, हम आज काम कर सकते हैं, तो why? Because we are eating food, and that food gives us what? Gives us energy. And we eat food to grow big. So there is a newborn child, okay, he crosses his age 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, उसकी एज बढ़ते रहती है. तो एज बढ़ने के साथ साथ you can see the child is also growing, his height is growing. So why how his height is growing? His height is growing because he is eating healthy food. So now food helps us to even grow. If you not eat food, हमारी एज बढ़ते रहेगी, बट अगर हम खाना नहीं खाएंगे, so our body will not react according to our age. 10 years की एज में सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल हमारा वेट होना चाहिए 15 kg और 15 to 20 kg, बट 10 years की एज में हमारा वेट सिर्फ 5 kg है या 6 kg है. सो इट मीन्स व्हाट? हमारी एज बढ़ रही है बट हमारी बॉडी ग्रोथ रिएक्ट नहीं कर रही. वाई? बिकॉज वी आर नॉट ईटिंग प्रॉपर फूड, वी आर नॉट utilizing proper diet. So food helps us to grow as well as we are living because we are eating food. Next, we take breakfast in the morning, we take bread, butter and milk. We take lunch at noon, we eat dal, chapati, curd and rice. So breakfast, as I told you, breakfast, when do we eat? We eat breakfast in the morning. सुबह सुबह के टाइम पे हम जो भी खाते हैं, वी लाइक मिल्क, ब्रेड और समथिंग, that breakfast we will eat where we will eat during morning. And during morning what do we eat? We will take either bread, butter or milk. Okay, so bread, butter and milk is regarded as what? Breakfast. But if you go to some other states, it is not like that कि हर कोई bread, butter और milk ही खाता है. कई लोगों के घर में इडली बनती है, डोसा बनता है. Even if you go to Punjabi families, they early in the morning they eat what? They eat parathas and all. Okay, so it is not compulsory that breakfast means आपको सिर्फ bread, butter और दूध पीना चाहिए. Yes, if you are like okay with that, you can eat, but still if you're not like you want to eat something else, you can eat that also. Parathas या कुछ भी, idli, dosa, you can eat that also. So breakfast is regarded as what? We take what? Bread, butter and milk. And then coming to the lunch. So during lunch we eat what? We eat dal, chapati, curd and rice. This is what? This is the food items which we will eat during lunch. सो लंच में किसी के घर में दाल चावल बनते हैं, अगर किसी को दाल चावल नहीं खाना है तो वो सब्जी रोटी खाता है. सो इट इज कंपल्सरी, हर घर में इट इज कंपल्सरी कि वहाँ पे दाल भी बनती है, चपाती भी बनती है, कर्ड और एल्स राइस. दिस इज बीन रिगार्डेड एज व्हाट? लंच. एंड अगेन लंच, देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स डिनर विल कम. डिनर में हम क्या करते हैं? वो खाने के बाद सोना पड़ता है, तो इसकी वजह से विल ईट व्हाट? लाइट फूड. सो इट इज सेड दैट मॉर्निंग एंड आफ्टरनून, ये 2 टाइम्स का जो भी हमारी मील्स होते हैं वो बहुत हेल्दी होने चाहिए, बिकॉज वी विल वर्क इन द मॉर्निंग टिल आफ्टरनून और टिल इवनिंग ऑल्सो. सो काम के साथ साथ आपका खाना भी, आपकी डाइट भी बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए. सो और लेकिन रात के टाइम पे हम ज़्यादा नहीं खा सकते, क्योंकि रात के टाइम पे अगर हम ज़्यादा खाएंगे सो आफ्टरवर्ड्स वी विल स्लीप, सो इट विल अफेक्ट अवर बॉडी. सो इट इज सेड दैट मॉर्निंग और आफ्टरनून में जितना आपसे हो सकता है आप उतना ज़्यादा फ्रेश हेल्दी फूड खाना है. Okay children, so half of the lesson is completed, and next other part I will explain you in the part 2. Till then you read this much, these 2 paragraphs about food, about morning, breakfast as well as lunch. Okay children, then we'll meet you in the next video with part 2. Okay.